2, 3. Okay, we put it in a clockwise manner. Okay, and then rub it in a clockwise manner. Okay, now he has a bit of a phlegm and mucus, so we're going to put digestion there and on his chest as well, because he has difficulty breathing. So I'm going to put brief essential oil, okay, on his chest area and also his nose. Okay. Nose. Okay, be careful not to touch the eyes. Okay, and this is the chest area. Put the brief essential oil as well. Breathe in. Yes, good. You can breathe it in. Okay, put on your hand a bit. Okay, rub it together. Rub it together. Oh, here also. Okay, rub together. Rub together, Abi. Rub together first. Cup your... Yes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, good. Now we're going to put the immunity blend, which is On Guard. Okay, you like the smell? Okay, On Guard for throat. Okay, do up for your throat. Up, like that. You put some on the throat area. Okay, you can also put at the wrist or sole of the feet as well. But I want to put something else there. Alright, now Abi, I need you to turn around. Turn around. Flip over. I want to put your spine. Okay, I'm going to put the peppermint. Okay, in case he has fever, and the flu bomb. Okay, this one is a flu bomb. I didn't label it, but I put the flu bomb on the spine area. Okay. Now, another one is the peppermint. I also layer with peppermint at the spine area as well. I can also put it at the sole of her feet, especially if it's going to be night time. Okay, I also put lavender, okay, on his area here for him. Alright, now he has some bites, okay, and blemishes. Abi, turn around. Abi, turn around. On here. Turn around. Yes, turn around. Okay, now I see got some bruises as well on the legs. Yes, some bruises. I'm going to put this. Sakit. Okay, put on the bruises. Okay, and insect bites. Old one, scars. Like this one is because of the scalding. Also, I put some. This one also bite marks. Okay, and this one as well. Okay, how do you feel, Abi?
Yes.
You like it? Okay, breathe in again. Breathe. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.